Hello, True Crime Stories family. A Georgia man who blasted his wife's aunt on Facebook for sticking her nose in his business has been dragged into the Alex Murdaugh murder saga because of an identity mix-up. Earlier this month, Alex's defense team filed a 65-page motion for a new trial, arguing that Colleton County Court Clerk Rebecca Hill pressured the jury to convict the disgraced ex-lawyer accused of killing his wife and son. The defense also claimed that Hill campaigned to remove a particular juror from the trial because she believed the juror was on the fence about a conviction. The motion claimed Hill flagged the judge for a Facebook post by the ex-husband of that juror on the Walterboro word-of-mouth page that supposedly showed she had spoken about the case. Judge Clifton Newman removed the juror for having improper conversations outside court. In a Monday filing, Alex's legal team said there was a post, but it was written by a man with a similar name to the juror's ex and had nothing to do with the case. They included an affidavit from the poster, identified as Tim Stone of Odom, Georgia. Mr. Stone was the author of the Apology Facebook post, which Colleton County Clerk of Court Rebecca Hill represented, that was evidence the juror had discussed the evidence presented at trial with her ex-husband before deliberations began, the filing states. Stone said in his affidavit that he was never married to the juror and has never posted on Walterboro word of mouth. He said the post that Hill apparently saw was actually in response to a private argument about his wife's aunt, who was sticking her nose in my business. He deleted the original post and issued an apology post the next day, explaining to his 128 followers that he let Satan control him and that he wrote the first message while intoxicated. I felt terrible about the initial post and removed it on February 15th and on February 16th posted an apology which is still on my Facebook feed, Stone's affidavit states. It appears that the post on my personal Facebook page differs slightly from that on Exhibit A in that my wife's comments have been deleted. Hill's legal team did not immediately respond to a request for comment, but the clerk of court previously denied the allegations to the Daily Beast. On Friday, the South Carolina Attorney General's office responded to the motion's allegations, saying its investigators found significant factual disputes with the defense's claims.